So let's go to page 169 in our journal. Shift up to number 3, and let's do number 3 together. So a survey was taken of 100 families. So I just built my box because I want to do a two-way table, okay? So let's read the words, let's highlight the words that are important, and then we can start to build our table, okay? So if I look through here, survey was taken of 100 families. So that's an important thing. 100 families got to be important, okay? With one child. So we're going one child and 86 families with 2 or more children. Okay, so seems like what we're surveying is whether in your family you're an only child, right, or if there's more than one kid in your family. Okay, so I know that's part of it. Okay, 86 families with more. Okay, so of those, 94 families with one child and 60 of the families with 2 or more children were saving for college. Okay, so it seems like I'm going to have one child, right? One child. I'm going to have more than one. Okay, that's one cell, right? One child. Okay, more than one child. I'm going to have saves for college, so I'll put saves. And not no saves. How's that for a nice English word? No saves. No saves, right? So we're going to look at families. We're going to take a look at, say, okay, now we know there's 100, so it totals here. We've got a total of 100. We've got 100 down here, right? Total, right? That's my total. We know with one child, so one child families, there's going to be 86 families total of one child. So I'm going to put
No, it's 100.
100 families with one child. Oh, I got this wrong. Thanks.
Good job, Ben.
Thanks, Ben, for catching that. 100 here and 86 families here. Thanks, Ben. Okay. So, boys, you listening? Tim? So, let's get this finished, okay? So, of those, 94 families with one child and 60 families with 2 more children are saving. So, we're going to have 94 here, 60 here, right? Does that make sense? So, now, we should be able to finish the other, right? Because if I'm smart enough to go, wait a minute, there's 100 kids, right? 100 kids in this one child thing. It means there's going to be only 6 that didn't save for college, right? And out of this, there's going to be what? 26 here. Does that make sense? Because I have to make the total of 86, 1,200, okay? Now, so it says, find and interpret the marginals. Guys, I'm tired. You're talking too much, okay? So, let's look at some probabilities. So, first of all, let's say, what is the probability of one child saves? What's the probability of one child saves? What's the probability that if you come from a only child family, that your family's saving? What's the probability?
94%.
94 out of 100. Yep. 94 out of 100, okay? What's the probability if you come from 2 or more and saves? Okay? 2 or more and you saves. What's the probability? Come from a family with 2 more children and you save. What's the probability? 60, 86, right? 60 out of 86. Nice job, Katie. Totally right. Okay? What's the probability that anyone saves, that any family saves?
154 out of 186.
Okay, so we're going to have 154. See the 154? These are all the families that save. Okay, 154. See that?
82.7.
Over 186. See how that works? Now, it says one last thing and I'm almost done. Interpret. So what do you guys see from this? What do you take away from this, okay? What's your conclusion? Do you have a conclusion? What do you see? Do you see anything? Okay. I'll ask Price because he's like talking to Storm. Price, what's your conclusion? Help us out. What do you see?
That most families are smartly investing in college for their kids.
Right. But can we be more specific than that?
Around 80%.
Well, the big survey, Spencer. Wait. Just wait.
Oh my goodness.
Just wait. So the survey really has to do with what? Saving college, not saving college. One child, more than one child, right? Okay, you with me? The whole thing has to do with what? Save college, not save college. One family. So what's my conclusion? If I'm looking at the whole thing, there's something you see. So if you come from
more
a
children from, or more families from one child, that more families that have one child are saving for their child.
that's what we want to do. That's the conclusion. And that makes sense. You got one kid, you put more money into the one kid, than if you have lots of kids, it's a lot harder. You guys agree? So our conclusion, nice job, Ben. Let's write this down. Write this down. So our conclusion is single child
Yes,
families save more often for college. Okay? That would be my conclusion. I agree. Single child families save more often for college. Okay, I'm going to stop recording.